Okay, welcome aboard. Can everybody hear me back there? Okay. My name is Bogart. I'd like you to just to recheck your belts, make sure it's fastened and everything else is secured. If you'd like to review the safety briefing given to you earlier by the ground crew, we have briefing cards in the aircraft. For the front seat, cards on the left side of the console. Back seat, we have pouches. Back the front seat with the cards. Along with the cards, the lower bags, they have gray ones, but they may have blue packages with white lower bags in it. You're welcome to it if you need it. Fire extinguisher on the floor, right side of my seat, first aid kit beneath the rear seat. We have cameras on board. Everything I'm saying is being recorded, so when we get back from the flight, if you'd like to look at the video, talk to the clerk behind the counter and put the chip in the computer and see what the flight was like. We have handheld mics up front and at the rear. The front is next to the console, and the rear it's above your head, in the middle, between the seats. For the mic to work, you have to press the handle on the left, say what you're going to say, then let the handle go. Right now, I have the mics in the off position. Once we clear the airport traffic control zone, I'll turn the mics on, and I'll let you know the mics have been turned on. Other than that, just make yourself comfortable. As soon as the tower gives us our clearance, we'll be on our way here. Okay, we're departing the main airport, town of Lehui, right side. That is where the Coney seat is located for the island. We're going to cross over the Hokuala Golf Course. The building right in front of us is the brand new Okohala Resort, just opened this year. 4-story building on the left, timeshare Marriott, main building the Marriott right side at Kalapaki Beach. Now Willie Boat Harbor. Below us is the shipping center for the island. one of two deep draft commercial harbors on the island. The harbor was built by the Corps of Engineers. Project started in 1922. Took 9 years to complete the boat harbor. And they've had numerous expansions since then to its present state. To the right of the stem of the river below us is the Alacoco fish pond. Alacoco is the official name. Everyone on the island referred to the pond as the Menehune fish pond. Menehunes were a race of miniature Polynesians that constructed the pond, raised selected fish, and the pond for the monarch a long time ago. Now, beneath to the right is the Kipu Ranch, owned by the Rice family, founded by William Hyde Rice. So the right side of the ridge is Kipu. Now on the ocean side of the ridge is Kipu Kai. Kipu Kai is owned by the Waterhouse family. The relationship between Waterhouse and Rice family through marriage. Both families goes way back into the Hawaiian history of the island, early missionaries. Missionaries arrived in Hawaii in 1820. They initially came from the East Coast, from the Boston area. Okay, when we clear the ridge, the south end of the island is along the shoreline, left side. Poipu is on that side. Poipu is another designated resort here on the island. That side of the island was developed way before the north side. You have the Hyatt Regency, Kahuna, Sheraton, Waiahai along the shoreline, and quite a few other resorts and hotels. Old McBride Sugar Mill building on the left near the hill, with the stock in the middle. It's been out of service for quite a long time. Then left of the reservoir, the old town of Kaloa. The old town of Kaloa is where the first successful sugar mill and Hawaii was established at 1835. Today we do not grow any sugar or pineapple on the island. You can pick sugar and pineapple out cheaper in third world countries than growing sugar or pineapple in the state. The last sugar plantation shut down ending of 2016 on Maui, the Punene sugar plantation. Directly in front of us where the Claus is at, is the center of the island. It's Mount Waialeale. It's one of the world's wettest points. In 1982, they recorded over 640 inches of rainfall on its summit. That was a record year for Waialeale. And this is the main highway below us, the only road that will take you to each end of the island. Now, the intersection of the left door is a road going through the tree tunnel made up of the eucalyptus trees, continues to the town of Kaloa and out to Poipu. Main road below us eventually goes along the shoreline towards the Waimea Canyon to the end of the road, where you have to turn around. The town of Collihill, side of the hill, left side, it's the third largest town on the island. Above the town, top of the hill, is a municipal golf course. Name of the golf course, Kukui Olono. 9 holes. Beyond the golf course, the dark green fields along the shoreline, coffee. It used to be sugarcane up until 1989. Then beyond the coffee fields along the shoreline is Port Allen. That is the other deep drive commercial hub on the island. Inland of Port Allen, Honopepe town. Okay, we'll be flying through some turbulence. There's nothing to be concerned about. We're ending up on the downwind side of the mountains, so anytime you get on that side of ridge lines, there's turbulence that is associated with that side. Look carefully, you can see the island of Niihau on the horizon up front below the cumulus clouds. That elongated island will be Niihau. There's actually a tiny island to the right that I cannot see right now. It's called Lehua. Both Lehua and Niihau is under the county seat of Kauai, part of the state of Hawaii. No one lives on Lehua. Okay, we are entering and descending down into the Honopepe Valley. In 1992, Steven Spielberg and his crews on the island filming the original Jurassic Park movie. Honopepe is one of the many locations used in making the movie. If you ever seen the original movie, at the very beginning, they showed a helicopter landing in Jurassic Park next to the falls. The falls at the right door at the bottom, next to the river with the pond at the base is where the scene was done at. More waterfalls to the right front besides Jurassic Park Falls, which is now off the left side. Spielberg was back on the island in 2014, did another sequel to Jurassic Park, released in May 2015. It's about the third or fourth sequel. And Jurassic Park Falls, right side. The bright colored trees on the slopes on each side of the river, the tall light green trees, our state tree, the Kukuina tree. We're going to cross over Kahili waterfalls. Let me turn your mics on. I totally forgot about you. Okay, the mics on hand mics is active right now. This is Kahili Falls, left and right. Now, all the dead-looking trees we have beneath around us is the results of two hurricanes, Hurricane Iniki, Hurricane Eva. 1992 Hurricane Iniki, a Category 5 hurricane, winds of more than 200 miles an hour at the island. They were still filming Jurassic Park when Hurricane Iniki hit the island. 10 years before that, in 82, was Eva. Eva is not as powerful, but still a hurricane. At the very end of Honopepe, Mount Waialeale, we have 7 major rivers and valleys on the island. Take to Mount Waialeale. Honopepe is one of the 7. You know, this is hurricane season right now for Hawaii. We've already had 2 of them. The first one bypassed the state on the south side. Second one, a day before it hit the state, turned into a tropical storm, so we had a lot of wind and rain. Hurricane season will be over next month. And this is our private property from the top of Waialeale, beneath us, left of us, to the shoreline. It belongs to the Robinson Estate. They own 1/4 of the island. Now, all of the land that they own was purchased by Elizabeth Sinclair. Elizabeth was born in Scotland, maiden name McHutchison. She was born in 1800. Married a sea captain. Well, she was educated in London, married a sea captain, Captain Sinclair. They both moved to New Zealand, and they lived in New Zealand for a very long time. Her husband passed away. So Elizabeth had two son-in-laws, Gay and Robinson, her daughters, and grandchildren, were headed to California. They had their own ship, stopped in Hawaii, and remained here. Arrived in 1864. She was 64 years old. And she initially purchased the island of Niihau.